Hi friends, it's Des here from Dzdjewelry with a bead dollar box unveil this month for May 2018. And per the suggestions of the subscription holders, the bead dollar box went to the Czech Republic and got us some beautiful Czech beads and added some awesome findings. So let's just dive right in and take a look. And we're going to start off with looking at the legend here. And they always include one every month. And we'll start off with the bead strands, which is the $8 part of the subscription if you have the combined subscription, which is they send you the strands for $8, which is awesome because you get the beads every month. And then you have the other part of the subscription, which is another charge, and you get the beads and findings. So let's take a look. Let's zoom in and we'll see what we have here. Okay, so we start off with some violet. Let me see if I can keep the light and show you here. These awesome violet strand here, and they're really shiny and beautiful. Try to keep the light for you guys. Let's put it this side right here. They're pretty. What's really the star showcase to me here is these the green combination here, which is great for spring going into summer. And the green ones are transparent jonquil, transparent peridot, and fern green. And so that's just a little three combination right here. Really awesome. And we have some opaque red travertine. And let me bring this one closer into the light. I'll bring this closer. Try to focus on it. Look at that beauty right there. So gorgeous. And so these are all Czech glass. Really awesome. And like I said, for $8, you get a strand of those, which these are 23 pieces on a strand, and really gorgeous. Okay. Now, I'm not going to focus too long on the box because some people got their box earlier than I did, and I know you guys have seen a ton of videos. I'm just going to highlight what to me was really kind of cool about this box. So, as I said, you get a legend here, an itinerary of the items that you get in the box, which is kind of cool. And the thing about BEADDOLLARBOX is that you get one, you know, to see the mailman destroyed my box. But you get one with every box, and so that way you can identify what is in your box. The only thing I wish is that in each bag, I wish they would, you know, put labeling on each bags, you know, like the numbers. Because unless you're like super like, you know, like you can figure out what each item is. I mean, some of them are pretty much self-explanatory. For example, like this really struck me as really cool. You got these two coin pearls, which are really beautiful here. Take a look at that. Look at the iridescence on there, really beautiful. This struck me too. You know, this would be great for the resin work. I have done some resin work before with some rings on my Etsy shop and in my dzdjewelry.com. So this would be great. I can do some resin in here. And like I said, some of them are self-explanatory. I mean, I can look on the legend and pick this out. You know, this is the pewter with copper square resin blank, one piece. So I don't really need a numbering on there. I can pick this out. You know, this is red. Obviously, you can pick this out. This one is really gorgeous right here. Let me pick this up right here. pick this up. This is beautiful. And I'm going to try to pick this out on the hair. I'm not really sure, but he's really cutie. I'm not really sure what he is on the list. I'm assuming some kind of check glass, but it's great for a focal. I can use them on a bracelet. Move my finger out the way so you see in the light. It's gorgeous. I'm not really sure what he is. I'm looking on the list. I'm not really sure. But he's gorgeous. I'm not really sure. And they included some Hansel charms here. Really gorgeous. These are some stars right here. Check this out. Now these are on the list. I picked these out real easy. Check glass, faceted barrel beads, multicolored. And check them out. Aren't they gorgeous? Let me focus for you. Wow. Aren't those cute? Those are really, really gorgeous. Let me see if I can pick it up and bring it even closer. If I can put it in the camera view, it would be nice, right? Okay. I don't know. Maybe I can. Wow, that's gorgeous, right? I don't know. Maybe make some earrings. I have one on the chain. That's really pretty. Okay. And look at these little flowers. Aren't they cute? They're just adorable. I could use these as button clasps for some friendship bracelets. Aren't they cute? Or some earrings. Aren't they cute as the cutest little things? Those are so cute. And I don't know, maybe you guys can help me, you know, because I mean, I've been making the jewelry since 2015. So they're resin flower buttons. So leave comments, you know, let me know. Thank you to all my new subscribers. If you're still watching the videos, I want to thank you. Thank you for all the comments. I know someone said I was talking too low, so thank you for the comments. I appreciate it. Nothing is a bad comment. Thank you. They also sent some spring rings. I think we had some of the last time too. Thank you. And they have some brass balls and some check glass tube beads. And here's something that they always send. They always send string or some beading wire, which is cool. And I never used Crystal Tech before, but you know what? It's great because I make in my SD shop, I make free gemstone and crystal bead, yes, real gemstone and real crystal bead bracelets as free gifts. So this will be great. I'll try this out. Never used it before, so I hope it works well. And it seems really thick, so I hope it holds well. This is a star right here. Try to get it into the camera. And I'm going to assume, let me put this down so I can show it to you well. Open my hand here. This little bead right here. I'm going to try to figure out what this is. This is, I think this is the tubular bead. I think this is the tubular bead. And I heard that this is like kind of an expensive bead. I'll try to put him down. Maybe you can see him better. I heard he's like really expensive or something. So it's a check glass bead. I heard he's like really expensive. So really glad to get this. I can maybe make a pair of earrings out of him. Now, I saw a YouTube about these groovy tubes. I saw somebody talk about them in their unveil, and they said that they were the first crimps or whatever. And actually, I actually saw, I forgot her name, from BEADDOLLARBOX. She was talking about them. And it's not necessarily that they were, I don't know, maybe they are the first crimps or whatever. But the young lady, and I can't remember her name from BEADDOLLARBOX, she's like the Beadalon spokesperson or whatever. And, you know, she does awesome work for Beadalon. But what it is that groovy tubes are they are crimps, obviously, but what you can do with them are you can use them to highlight your like floating jewelry. So if you do like a floating necklace, and that way when you have a floating necklace, you can, it's just not like putting a crimp there to it actually highlights the jewelry around, it highlights the beads around the floating necklace. And or if you're doing a bracelet and you want to just have the beads look like they're floating around your wrists, you can use the groovy tubes, and that way it's just a way to add sparkle and shine to the floating beads that are hanging around the neck or just floating around the wrists. And so it's just a way to add some sparkle and panache to the jewelry, other than just, you know, squashing and bending over the crimp. That's all. And so that's what those are about. And I mean, and you can see the divots in there, and you can see the little sparkle that it is. Like if you look in the corner, I'll try to get to it if I can. If you look to the corner up here, like look at the little sparkle right there. You can see the sparkle. So that's what the groovy tubes are about. It's not so much that they were the first crimps, man. I think I heard a young lady say that. I think I heard her say, "Oh, they were the first crimps that were ever made." It's not really about that. Okay, so that's my assessment. I always say that, you know, BEADDOLLARBOX and Bargain Bead Box are such a awesome subscription. To me, they're like the best ones out there. And I know there are a plethora of them going, and you can, you know, subscribe to them all. But to me, BEADDOLLARBOX and Bargain Bead Box, I hope I'm saying the name right, are the top of the line. You know, you get wire, you get string, you get beads, you get findings, and it's a great way to. And they're not paying me. They're not sending me boxes. I don't get a reduced rate. I'm doing this because I just want everyone to give it a try. And you get a way to, if you have an SD shop or online store, you get a way to try something, and you know, always have something in your stash. So give it a try. You know, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Please comment below. And I'll see you guys next month. And I know I didn't get a chance to put out some of the jewelry, but I definitely will get around to it. I have my father visiting me from Belize. That's where I'm from. And so it's been kind of hectic, but I will definitely try to get a chance to. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Like, follow, share, subscribe, and check me out on Etsy, dzdjewelry.etsy.com. Bye.